Joint Expeditionary Base Little Creek, Fort Story, or JEBL-CFS, is a United States military base in Virginia Beach, Virginia. It was established on October 1, 2009. JEBL-CFS resulted from the Base Realignment and Closure, 2005 process. Think of it as a merger of two separate bases. Specifically, it combined the former U.S. Army Post Fort Story and Naval Amphibious Base Little Creek. The United States Navy commands the entire joint base. Little Creek is the major operating base for the Navy's expeditionary forces in the Atlantic Fleet. It actually spans 4 locations across 3 states. The Little Creek location in Virginia Beach covers 2,120 acres. Another 350 acres are located near Training Support Center Hampton Roads. Radio Island, a 21-acre site at Morehead City, North Carolina, also belongs to Little Creek. Radio Island supports amphibious operations for Marine Corps units at Camp Lejeune. Fort Story sits at Cape Henry, right where the Chesapeake Bay meets the Atlantic Ocean. Its location provides unique environmental features. These include dunes, beaches, sand, surf, and deep water access. Variable tide conditions are also present. Maritime forest and open land add to the diverse landscape. Fort Story serves as a prime location for Army amphibious operations. It is also key for Joint Logistics Over-the-Shore Training, or JLOTS. JLOTS is a critical capability for deploying resources when traditional port facilities are unavailable. The base encompasses 1,451 acres of diverse terrain. This includes sandy trails, cypress swamps, and maritime forests. Grassy dunes and both soft and hard sand beaches are present. The western beaches face the Chesapeake Bay, while the eastern beaches face the Atlantic's rougher waters.